Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel English with Ma Madam. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about the one trick that is the best trick to become a fluent in English. Today's video is going to be a very special and important video. So watch the video till the end, because if you skip the video you will not be able to understand properly. And I'm sure if you follow this trick, your fluency will reach the next level. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So friends, in order to practice this method, you would need a book. You can take any books according to your level. I am taking a storybook. I am taking this one storybook because there are many short stories and this is very convenient to read in a one shot. So I am taking this book, and this book is very good for beginners. And first of all, you have to choose any chapter, whatever you like. I am choosing this chapter, The Real Mother, The Real and Make-Believe Mom. So I will show you how to read. You have to read slowly and loudly. Let me show you. The name of story is The Real and Make-Believe Mom. Two women were fast friends. They were neighbors. Both were childless. By the grace of God, one of them born a son years later. They decided to bring up the child together and not tell others of the village, about which one of them was the mother. That was the childless mother, did not feel bad, and no one could taunt her. The real mother wanted to protect her friend. But one day the other woman turned dishonest. She spoke, "This child is mine. Now I don't want you to touch him. You are always making a mess of him." We just saw step number 1. We have to read slowly, loudly and carefully. Now come to the step number 2. You will need a diary to make a notes. I will explain you how do we do that. It shocked the real mother. She tried to snatch back her child. A quarrel broke out between the two over the child. Both were claiming to be the real mother. Each claimed the other one was imposter. I underline imposter. The dispute was taken to the court. Dispute. The judge heard the case. The women pleaded their respective position and the claims. It was difficult to say which one was the true mother. I underlined the words which I didn't understand while reading, like I underlined imposter, dispute and pleaded. Now open your diary and note down all underlined words, like I underlined imposter. Second word is dispute, and third one is pleaded. Okay, that types you have to underline, and after underline you have to note down all underlined words. Step number 3. After underline the words, try to find the meaning of that word, and try to find where to use that word, and try to make sentences, at least 4 and 5 sentences with that word. It will very helpful for you. So these are the words, and let me show you how to find the meaning of that word. Let me show you how to find the meaning of any word. Now first of all, you need to log in into the Google Chrome. Then type here the word P-L-E-A-D-E-D, pleaded meaning. Pleaded meaning. Now you can see pleaded. Pleaded means हो गया आपका गंभीरता पूर्वक याचना करना. To ask somebody for something in very strong and serious way. Okay, that types you can find any word's meaning. Clear? Now you have searched the meaning of this word, then note it down in your diary. Like I searched the meaning of pleaded. So what is the meaning of pleaded? To ask somebody for something in a very strong and serious way. Okay, now clear how you have to do everything. So come to the next point. Next step is that we need to find the pronunciation of that word we don't know. There are some words which I also found difficult. So let's find the pronunciation of these words. I underline few words like snatch, dispute, imposter, pleaded. Let me show you how can you find the pronunciation of these words. You can see the picture of a speaker next to the word. When you click here,
imposter.
Okay, now clear How can you get any words pronunciation easily?
Imposter.
Imposter. Clear? The fifth step is, once you get the word, once you have the meaning of that words, once you have the pronunciation of that words, once you get where to use that word, then start using that words in your daily life conversation. You can choose any two words and start using that words in your conversation, because it is very important for your English fluency. If you are not going to do this, it will really not helpful for you. It will not works. So if you want to enhance your fluency, then start practicing a lot. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for listening me.